In this video, we are going to be learning how to derive the first equation of motion. This is BrainBoost, and this is how to derive v equals to u plus at. If we're being asked to derive the equation v equals to u plus at, which is the first equation of motion, we start with the fact that acceleration equals to rate of change of velocity. And we can also write this by saying a equals to change in velocity over time. And we can say a equals change in velocity, which is our final velocity v minus our initial velocity u over time. And we can just cross this out by cross multiplying, and we have at equals to v minus u. And since we're trying to derive v equals to u plus at, we do that by making v the subject of the formula and taking u to the other side of the equation, where it becomes an addition instead of subtraction, and become at plus u equals v. And we can just rearrange this and get our final equation which we want to derive, and we can then get v equals to u plus at. So that is how v equals to u plus at, or the first equation of motion, is being derived. And that is it for this video. So